full upper body workout of the day. So I did my main set was 100 kg, so 225 pound push press, because my strict press has stopped. But other movement I do mostly supersets, so the workout will be faster. But seated dumbbell press, where after seated dumbbell press I went to do pull-ups without weights. And remember, if you do pull-ups without, actually very few people can do over 10 pull-ups with correct technique. And correct technique meaning you straighten your arms fully and go all the way down to the deep stretch, because the deep stretch helps you to build muscle and then explode up. After that I had bench press, what I did not get video from, and rows, chest supported rows. If you like the video, you can get free stuff. There is a link in the bio if you want to get these kind of results. 5 free weight loss tips or free trial for a training program. So click one of those, get free stuff. I want you to get results. And if you like the video, please like it. And if you have any comments, please ask any comments. I will try to answer any questions. It's good for you because you get answers for your questions, and it's good for me because I get video material, because it's not easy to make a content. And also, if you like the video, subscribe. So thank you for watching and have a nice day.